go.
3, 2, 1, go.
Fuck off, Cameron, you cunt.
Cameron!
Turn your camera off. Connor, kick him. Banish him.
Keep that in. Keep that in. Keep that in. Keep that in. Keep that in.
Okay.
Don't you dare
Thank
touch
you.
that.
Yes.
Do you know where we are? In
Oh, God, he's not
SPQR,
got another one,
School
has he?
Britannia or Jerusalem, da da da. Everywhere being civilized and people being happy because of the sewers, roads, and governance. I don't want to finish the song. Rome.
Oh, nice.
We are. We are.
We are on a cruise.
Some people don't like
Um,
Britannia.
oh my God,
What
shut
about
up. That's
Spain?
masterpiece.
That was so.
Some people do like Spain.
Right.
Honestly, that's like the greatest rent thing
Honestly, why don't
anyone
you
on this
keep
pool has
that?
ever made.
Keep that intro. Just shorten it for
Yeah.
every episode.
Because I don't
And then
want
just
to have to stop
upload
my
a
artistic.
Go on, having the full thing.
Nero. Okay, we're on Nero, guys. Nero, Claudius,
borrowed.
Caesar, Augustus,
Yeah, the dude with the
Germanicus.
stupid long name. Yeah.
Augustus.
No, all of the all.
Chocolate.
We've
Shut-
Augustus Gloop.
Oh my God, we've made this
Oh,
joke.
fucking chocolate. And he was like,
Alright,
Like
guys,
chocolate
new
is
rule.
charming, this
If you mention Augustus Gloop in the
and he was
in the
like,
when I'm talking
oh
about
my
Rome,
button.
you're
The
banished.
chocolate is
Gonna
charming
banish
me.
him, banish him, banish him, banish
Oh
him.
my God.
You're off.
You're off.
Kick him.
I'm
Good.
gonna add him back.
Okay. You add him back in due course, right?
He's
Due
calling
course.
me.
Anti-Semitic jokes.
I've added him back.
Oh yeah, oh no, I need to put the disclaimer. We're not with Semites.
We're
It's
not
the-
anti-Semitic, guys. But as you can see from this message, racists are using Canberra for pictures to identify themselves. You know.
Yeah. So
Okay, so first things first with Nero. We have the entrance of our first Roman twink. Not the first Roman twink, but the first Roman twink of knowledge. Sporus.
I need proof.
Sporus. Woo. Okay, so
Proof.
I'll send a picture of Sporus. I'll send some Sporus fan art.
Some sports fan
No.
art.
Send some spores.
Battle for Boss Sporus.
We are.
Yeah, that's right. We are on a cruise. Okay, look, I sent some in chat. I don't know if you can see that, Connor.
Smash.
But the woman's Nero, and he's like. Okay. So Nero comes in after Claudius dies. I think normally.
Well,
Yeah, he just dies
Who
normally.
the fuck rename themselves to Augustus Gloop?
Who's No. This is kick him, Connor, get him out. Banish him, banish him. Out. Good. Okay, so Claudius dies normally. Like most consensus. The consensus is that he's mostly poisoned, but probably wasn't. Maybe it was his wife. He had a wife with Agrippina. Remember Livia? We talked about Livia a few. She was a
Oh, the
coke.
cracked up
She was a
beer.
freak bitch. Ain't no lie, right? Essentially, this guy's wife also goes in. It's the phase of wives killing the emperors. Soon we're going to go on the phase of the Praetorian Guard killing the emperors. Also, Connor is my Praetorian Guard, but like he's good. He's not bad.
Oh,
Okay.
He's gonna
So
murder you.
Nero.
But I have a sword.
Nero is the son of Gnaeus Domitius Hannibarbus and Agrippina the Younger, who just killed Claudius, right? And who was the great granddaughter of Emperor Augustus, making him the great great grandson of Augustus.
Don't say it, don't say it, don't say it, don't say it, don't
Augustus.
say it.
And then he unfortunately died. In a tragic river made of sugar and chocolate.
Okay, kick him. He's out. He's out. Bang.
Goodbye, Cameron.
Bang.
It was fun
I'll
while it
fucking
lasted.
blow your brains out. Anyway, Cameron's out. Is he
Nah.
kick him?
No,
Kick him.
Garen, you have
Nah,
one last
don't
chance.
kick me.
Garen has one last chance. If he makes up for Augustus Gloop, I'm
Come on,
kicking
Cam.
Right, you
fucking
really
do it again.
Veruca insulting me. You're really
Look at me,
Veruca
made a
insulting
reference.
me
Look
right
at me,
now.
made the reference.
No, it's my show.
It's his show.
And
My fucking
my show
show.
now. What?
It's Cameron's show.
Okay,
My show.
so
What kind of Cameron
it's
does
not
Rome?
Cameron's show.
Cameron
Cameron
does
doesn't know
Rome.
anything
Hi.
about Rome.
Cameron and the
He was
Greys.
like, I'm Roman.
Cameron and the Greys.
And he was like,
Cameron on the Athens.
and he was like,
Yeah.
hi, I'm Roman. And they all
Rowan?
died.
Who's Rowan?
Rowan.
Who's Rowan?
Oh.
Rowing my nuts.
Rowan
Oh,
Connor's
oh.
nuts?
Yeah, alright, Owen, get
I'm
on with it.
gonna have
Get
another
on with
swig
it.
of beer.
Yeah, no, exactly. Stop interrupting me. Cameron, stop drinking, you alco. That's what they call the
You're having
alcoholics.
another bit-
So the things that
Ah.
matricide, he kills his wife. Why do we? The reasons, according to Oxford Encyclopedia of Ancient Greece and Rome, are not fully understood. That is a direct quote. Not fully understood. And anyway, he kills his wife, wants a new wife. So his new wife, he finds this boy who looks a bit like his wife, and he cuts off his knob and makes him a twink.
Oh.
This is Sporus, first of the notable Roman twinks. We love Sporus. He ends up getting passed around a bit in after Nero. He's like he's
Hey, what do you mean by
he,
that?
he has a giant gaping asshole.
Yo.
And yeah, so it's going really well before his wife's death. After his wife's death, shit goes well. Shit goes down. There's a great fire of Rome. Rome starts burning. Revolts by Vindex to his tax policy. Conspiracies against him. Sporus, and we love Sporus, and he marries him, and we love Sporus so much. Sporus fan art. Sporus is just fit. He was castrated and just based around, okay? Because we're getting next time, right? We've got the year of the 4 emperors, and Sporus is passed around like a fag being passed around
Yo, can we
the
say that on
prison.
the channel? Can we
He
say
means cigarettes.
Oh, you mean
No,
cigarettes?
He means cigarettes,
No.
guys. He means
I
cigarettes.
didn't mean,
Don't
I
worry.
didn't mean that. I
Can we
didn't
clear
mean that.
that
I
up?
didn't.
Oh,
I didn't
oh.
mean that.
No. He meant cigarettes, guys. Don't worry.
Okay, yes, I did.
Everyone was excited
Um,
about it.
Okay,
Did you want to get
and
demonetized
no,
before
no,
you
no. I
made
did
it?
mean cigarettes. Cigarettes.
He's already
yum, yum,
cancelled.
yum, yum, yum.
He's already cancelled.
Okay, and then essentially people revolt against him. People get really pissed off. He kills loads of people, and essentially he dies. And then the year of the 4 emperors. What are we looking like for time? Oh yeah, Boudica. Let's talk about one thing we all learned about in Year 6 history, guys. Boudica.
Boudica.
She was the worst. Boudica's actually not a nice person. Rome good, Boudica bad.
Rome good.
Can we have an F in the chat for
No, we cannot.
Romans
Get on
killed
with
by
it.
Boudica? Oh, how many minutes are we? Because I'm not going to be able to do all the year of the 4 emperors, so I might as well just talk about Sporus a bit more.
Then go talk to it at the bar.
Okay, so Sporus'
I wouldn't
arsehole
talk
was
about Rome.
roughly 5 centimeters wide, and it had
You
it
know
was
what you should talk about?
what
Rome.
Rome.
I'm talking about. Okay, so
Yeah,
Sporus
does anyone know what he's talking about?
Sporus
yeah.
has an arsehole
Is
that's
he
5
talking
centimeters.
about
And it was
He's
naturally
really confused.
lubricating. It naturally lubricated himself because he gave himself explosive diarrhea, but ate nothing of worth, so it literally was just water. He had a giant gaping asshole that was very moist.
He's got a
Moist
lot
like
of
fucking
information.
young vagina.
How do you know all this? Was it documented?
He was
Yeah,
there.
that
He
shit's
went back in
documented.
Time a couple years. Didn't you go back a couple?
Yeah, no,
years ago?
I've been around. I've been around.
This is why he knows his Rome.
He gets around.
This is why. Round, I get around. I get passed around as much as Sporus.
I want to pop.
And Sporus lost his virginity not to Nero, but one of the whore dogs of Rome.
Oh,
And whore dogs of
Oh, I know
Rome,
about them.
famously Augustus
He doesn't.
and Augustus and Caligula also lost their virginity to whore dogs of Rome. And Horace. Horace was
Augustus?
mentioned before.
Horace-
And Suetonius. Augustus Gloop. Oh no, kick me.
I'm gonna kick
I have
you
to go
now.
now.
I'm gonna kick
Kick
you.
I have to stick by my own
Not
morals.
Wait. Wait, before you kick him, he needs to witness this goodness
Wait, who
video.
inherits the show?
Me.
Go ahead, so,
Who inherits the
Josh on the
winning
road.
Told you, man. This is
Rest of the
no,
episode
this
is
is
Josh
now Josh
playing
on the.
Euro Truck Simulator.
Yeah, Josh is go
I wasn't
Roman.
paying attention, I was just hit a wall.
Josh has hijacked the
Subscribe to
episode.
Rome.
That's it, guys. It's time for Josh on the Euro Truck Simulator.
Hello. Where am I currently? I am at a petrol station outside Olsztyn. in
Wait, do
Poland.
you edit these?
No, we do not, Cameron.
No,
We
he
do not
doesn't
get
edit
it.
them at all.
It's this
No.
turn in.
It's just completely uncut.
A bit like
Until it
Owen.
mentions.
I don't even need to fill up. Why am I here?
A bit like
I need to
Owen. A
sleep.
bit like Owen.
Oh,
Unlike the Romans, am I right?
He's like,
Well, actually, is there anything else of note really to mention of this period?
Nope.
Nero turned people into candles. That was pretty
Oh.
funny.
Pretty,
That was
That's-
Um,
oh, just like the guy from One Piece with the wax
pretty
wrapped
lol,
through.
ha funny that.
Yeah, but Nero gets a bad rep, like Caligula, for being like a really mean person, but he's not that bad. He got peace with Parthia, but good news, guys, the first Jewish-Roman war.
Let's go.
Oh, let's go.
Let's go. So there's revolts in Judea stemming from Greek and Jewish religion, and it's really pissing everyone off, so they have to like quell it. But Nero's really cultured. He sang and played the lyre, and he did Olympics, and he was just all around guy. And Cassius Dio wrote about him, and
Dio?
Cassius Dio Brando.
Theo Brando from JoJo's Bizarre
Didn't they
Adventure.
remove?
Jo-
Didn't remove him
JoJo's
from like
rather
Overwatch or
peculiar
something?
adventure.
JoJo's
Mm.
rather interesting adventure.
And because of his attack on
Attack on Titan.
Attack on people.
And
Some
then-
people
and then
refer
he
to
started
Nero.
using his sword art
No.
online.
Sword Art Online.
And then after he
No.
found
Find the
those
One
Dragon Ball
Piece.
Z's, he found the One Piece.
So the Bible really hates Rome, and they hate
I hate
they hate
Rome.
Nero, and it's really
Obviously,
mean.
didn't they kill Jesus?
He did kill
No,
Jesus.
they didn't. The Jews killed Jesus, and the Romans
No,
fought the
they-
Jews, and so it's
True,
like
yes.
Nah, I've got footage of who did Jesus.
who did it?
Me, I did it.
Oh, let me get the footage.
Was it Jamal?
Jamar. Alright, Owen, quick. Who is the hottest Roman?
Hottest Roman? Mark.
Because we barely
Mark-
get through any Rome.
Mark
No, we
Mark-
do. We get through loads of Rome. We're going really good. We're doing actually quite well on the
This is
schedule.
why there's going to be so many episodes, because it's just, we have massive
No,
breaks
it's-
in between
This is
actions.
no. This is 6 volume decline of 4. Like we haven't even got to this being Rome yet, and there's like 6 of these, and they're all like
Right,
1,000
I've-
pages long. There's loads of
Guys,
shit stuff.
Fellas,
Yes.
I
Yeah.
found the footage. Found the footage.
Share your screen.
Found the footage.
Share
Leaked
dice.
footage
Share
of
screen.
baby Jesus' birth.
Yeah, let me share my. No, it's not funny now because I've
It's-
sent it.
No.
Yeah.
No longer funny.
I found the footage.
Let me see the Suicide
Why
Squad.
there's so many things being sent? Peter Grief and Kami, but it's different music. What is this? I'm not watching these.
It's fucking Monty Python. He thinks it's
He
Monty
thinks-
Python,
I'm
like,
not-
the
we're
whole-
not getting that copyright
woo,
strike.
lol.
We're not
Copy.
getting-
We're gonna get copyright claim. Cheers, Cam. Fuck you.
Yeah!
No,
was
that was
funny.
gonna get
we were
copyrighted
making
by
money from this
Blur.
anyway.
Alright, go on, Owen.
All right. So
My
we'll go
bad.
over closing credits. Dedications to Sporus. There'll be more on Sporus next episode. Yeah, the gigantic gaping asshole. Ever shit in a urinal, Sam?
Yeah.
Once.
What is it with these fuckers and trying to overtake?